YouTube, it's your girl Ashley, and welcome back to my channel. And I know it has been months since I last recorded a video, but a lot has been going on with your girl, y'all, and I was kind of just in like a creative rut, or what do they call it, writer's block. Like I was just in a creative block, and I just wanted to create different types of videos, but the visions weren't like coming in my head, and I just didn't know what to do with my channel, and I just ran out of ideas, and I just didn't feel very creative. And I've also been going through a couple of things in life. I have moved. I did have 2 deaths in my family, and I also got a new job. So a lot has kind of been going on with me lately. So that's why, you know, I've kind of just been in a creative mess. But I've taken some time to do some brainstorming and stuff like that. And I finally have some really amazing content that's going to be coming out to you guys. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Now, I know I've gotten a ton of new subscribers. I see y'all, and I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in to my channel and for subscribing. I really hope you guys enjoy my content, and definitely just stay tuned because I have a lot of really cool stuff that's going to be coming out in 2017. Like, trust me, y'all, I have so many fun ideas, and I'm really hoping you guys enjoy them. So be sure to stick around for those cool stuff. And to all of my OG subscribers, thank you guys so much for riding out with me. I did get a couple messages from some people saying, Ashley, where you been? You haven't recorded a video in a while. And I'm so grateful that you guys took the time to like reach out to me and see if I was okay and all that good stuff. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for supporting me and being there for me and all of that good stuff. So yes, like I was saying, I have been going through a couple of different changes. I did move, so I am in a new space, and it's been taking me a long time to figure out where am I going to record now that I've moved. So you might see me in different places in the house recording. Now that it's kind of like Christmas, I decided to kind of have a Christmassy background, so I am sitting in the living room in front of the Christmas tree. So I'm hoping that you guys like the background, but I probably will have different backgrounds until I find like my permanent studio space, as I like to call it. So yes, and also I had 2 deaths in my family. My grandfather passed away, and my brother-in-law's father passed away. So it's been kind of a downtime in my family. I actually went to Jamaica for both of the funerals. So yeah, of course, you know, deaths is never really a good thing in your family. So I needed some time to just recuperate and be there for my family and things like that. And then I also got a new job, and I'm so excited about it. And yes, it's been going really amazing so far. I am working at Mercedes-Benz now. I'm working in their leasing office. So I'm so excited for this new, you know, career path that I've taken on, and I am just so blessed and grateful to God for all of the amazing blessings that He has been blessing me with. So yeah, that's kind of what's been going on with me, where I've been, what I've been up to. And yeah, your girl's just been working and trying to get her life together, because I really want to do some really big things in 2017. One of the biggest things that I'm going to be taking on in 2017 is a weight loss journey, and I really want to lose some weight, not because I hate the way I look, but because I love the way I look and I want to look even better. So I will have a whole video on my weight loss journey coming up, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. And for any of you who want to, you know, lose weight for the new year, or have different, you know, body goals for the new year, then this is probably a video you guys are going to want to see, because I'm making it interactive, where we're all doing this together. We all support each other, we all hold each other, you know, accountable and things like that. So look out for that video. I want to buy a new car in 2017. I want to always be slaying in 2017. I always want my hair to be right. I want my makeup to be right. I always want to have my nails in order. Like 2017 is literally going to be the year of the slay for me. Like I'm going to be slaying my pockets, I'm going to be slaying my body, and I'm going to be slaying financially and spiritually and emotionally, and I'm just trying to slay and be the best Ashley that I can possibly be. So those are my goals for 2017, but I am going to have a whole video out on that, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. I also have some really cool, fun videos that are going to be coming out. I did join BoxyCharm, so I'm really excited to get this stuff and to see if it's really worth it. I know a lot of YouTubers have been talking about BoxyCharm, and they are technically sponsored videos, so you know, sometimes you can't really get the real ish. Like, is it good because I'm spending my coins, or is it good because you got it for free? Because you know how some things are extra nice because it's free. Like when food is free, it tastes extra good. Yeah, like that. So I decided I'm going to be a guinea pig and kind of just test it out for myself. Plus I'm in Canada, so when y'all Americans are paying like $20 a month or like $10 a month for a subscription box, yeah, we have to pay more because of the exchange rate and all that jazz. So I want to see if it's really worth the hype. So yes, I'm really excited. That's supposed to be coming up really soon. Supposed to have some influencer boxes coming soon, so I can do reviews on that. Some more AliExpress makeup haul. I got y'all with the AliExpress makeup hauls. You know, I'm always trying to save my penny, and if it's cheap and still good quality, then I ain't complaining. I'm not complaining. So AliExpress makeup hauls are going to be coming on soon. I've been filling up my cart with a whole bunch of stuff, and I'm going to be ordering some stuff really soon. So stay tuned for that haul. Y'all know it's going to take some time for the products to get to me because it's coming from China. So you know, that video is probably not going to come out until like a month's time, because it usually takes about a month for them to even get to me. So yeah. And I'm also going to be doing some more plus size, you know, videos, fashion videos, and showing y'all how you can look cute and not break the bank, especially when it comes to plus size clothing. I'm going to be the plug for cheap makeup finds as well, so stay tuned for that. And I want to do some chit chatty videos, guys. I want to get into doing some videos, giving y'all the tea, giving y'all the receipts. So I want to do like a pillow talk type of video where I talk about, you know, adult stuff, if you catch my drift. So yeah, I really want to get into pillow talk videos where I talk about bedroom stuff or whatever, because I'm married and I'm grown, okay, so I can talk about this kind of stuff, okay. And also I want to do like chit chatty girl talks or whatever, where I talk about different things, so you guys will email me and say, you know, I'm going through this, what do you think I should do? Like Ask Wendy meets Ask Ashley type of thing. Yeah, that's what I really want to do too. I'm not sure what I'm gonna call them yet. I think I might call them like lady letters or something like that. I don't know yet. I'm still trying to brainstorm all the ideas together, but yeah, I want to do videos like that. So if you guys have any like topics or anything, please send them to me so I can get my videos ready and make those videos for you guys. Send me your emails if you guys have questions about the bedroom, or if you got questions about relationships and, you know, new careers or anything like that. Please feel free to send me an email. My email will be in the description box, so be sure to check it out. Now, since you know I do have a little bit more subscribers, I also want to do a Q&A video so y'all can try to get to know me a little bit better, because there are some of you guys who are probably seeing my first video since subscribing to me, and it's like, where this girl, who is she, what is she about? So I really want to do a Q&A video. So if you guys have any questions, anything y'all want to know about me, please leave those questions down below so I can make a Q&A. I think it'll be really fun to get to know everybody, and I'll include it to Snapchat as well. So I will take questions under here, I will take questions on my Instagram, and I'll take questions on my Snapchat. And so please leave those questions on any of my social media accounts. I will leave them on the screen so you guys can leave your questions. And yeah, so that's kind of my little spiel about what's been going on with me and all of that stuff. I hope you guys are excited, because I'm excited, and I know we's gonna have fun in the new year, okay? We's gonna have a lot of fun. So thank you guys so much for watching and for tuning in and sticking with me. Be sure to stay tuned, because some good stuff are coming. So thank you guys again for watching. If you enjoyed and happy that I'm back, give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.